Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox error 533. Let's fix it guys. First solution is to right click on the Roblox player and select properties guys, and select the compatibility tab over here and check mark the run this program as an administrator. After checking it, click on apply and OK for save changes. Second solution is to give the necessary permission for Roblox. We will give these permission in the game as well in Google Chrome and Windows. For that, go to Roblox game. In here, you just need to select the gear icon on the top right corner. Click on the gear icon and select settings. In left side, you just need to select the privacy option over here. On right side, you just need to scroll down, and under the other settings, select the friends and select everyone. Successfully saved changes. Now you just want to do the same thing for Chrome as well. Click on this three dot icon, select settings, and left side select privacy and security. On right side click on security, right side click on security, and in here you just need to select no protection not recommended. Click on it, and after doing it, you just need to do it for Windows. For that, close out of the Google Chrome and search for allow an app through Windows Firewall. Allow an app through Windows Firewall, open it guys, and in here you just need to search for Google guys. In Google you just need to check mark the private and public. For checking it, click on say change settings and just click on the check mark in the private and public guys. After doing changes, click on OK and save changes. And let's move on to the third solution guys. Third solution is to refresh Roblox. For that, we need to delete some things in the browser and computer. For that, open up browser, select the three dot icon, select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side you just need to select clear browsing data. Click on it and uncheck mark the browsing history and check mark cookies and the other side data, cache, image and file, everything for all time. Click on it and click on clear data. After doing it, we just need to do for Windows. For that, right click on the start icon, select run. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data, percentage again, click on OK. You just need to search for Roblox folder, right click on it and select delete guys. After deleting Roblox folder, we just want to restart our computer and check the error message has been resolved or not. If you're still having a problem, let's move on to the fourth solution guys. Fourth solution is to change the DNS address if we are getting error because of our internet. This solution will work for it. For that, go to search menu and type ncpa.cpl. click on open it guys. Right click on the internet you are using it. In my case, I am using Ethernet guys. If you are using Wi-Fi or Ethernet, you just want to right click on it and select properties. Select the internet protocol version 4 and select properties again. Click on use the following DNS server addresses and preferred DNS server address 88888 and alternate DNS server 8844. And after typing it, click on OK for save changes. So this DNS is used by Google guys, completely safe. After doing changes, click on close out of everything. And if this solution does not resolve your problem guys, let's move on to the fifth solution. Fifth solution is to use the Microsoft Store apps to download Roblox app guys. For that, open up Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store apps are most stable guys. Hopefully your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.